Welcome to image processing using OpenCV and C++. So the agenda of this program is, here you can see source image is given, but we need only this part of the image, that is masking using bitwise AND function. Okay, so this is original and this is, you can see image in particular area, region of interest. So let's see how we can achieve this. Okay, so just this is the code here, but for clarity I am going to write it once again. So just I am going to remove this program here so that you can understand it in a proper way. Let me delete all these things. Only this is library which is included, and using name space cv is for OpenCV and std is for C++. Main function is there. Now it's time to import image. So what to do? First define the path, string and path equals, and here I have stored one image in E drive, e:/ele mask.jpg, okay, and then semicolon. Now we need to read this, so I am read and pass path inside read, and this will return an image. So try to store it, mat src equals. Okay, now if you want to see this src, you can use IAMSO is there, and then you can put this is original image, and we can print it src. Save this. If you'll execute this program, then image will not come. See here, debug, start debugging. So here image will not come. Okay, because we need to provide wait key. So just you see the screen, black screen will come and go. It will not wait for display. Here you can see, just I am running, then something coming, but you cannot see. Now what to do? Just write wait key, okay, this one, Control S, save it. Now you will be able to see original image. So it's running, and here is the original image. Now we have to do masking on this original image, right? So here better you write destroy all window, right? Destroy all windows, and main is of type integer, so return 0. Okay, Control S, retu return 0, Control S. Okay, now I start debugging. So here you can see original image is getting printed. Now our task is to mask it. So for masking, first create a drawing board, or you can say mask. So mat, I am giving it name mask equal to mat double colon and then zeros, and in that take the source image size. So src dot size and comma src dot type. Okay, so masking window would be of same size as of original image. If you want to see, you can see like that. Control C this one, Control C, and here you can see Control V, and here you can see masking window, mask window. This is mask window, and here you can print it mask. Control S, save it. Now run this program. Okay, so once you run, you will be able to see the mask window, right? So here you can see this is mask window, right? Mask window is ready. Now we have to define the region of interest for masking. So let's define region of interest for masking. So just mask window is there. Now region of interest is circle. So circle input array. So where you want to draw the circle? On the mask, right? Now point, center required. So point, say point is 100 and 250. We will change it accordingly. Then radius, suppose radius is 50, or you can say radius is 100. And then a scalar color, SCALAR, scalar color. Actually color we have defined as a better what to do, defined color here. SCALAR, scalar color equals SCALAR, scalar color equals 255, 255, and then 255, right? Control S, save it. Here just say color, right? And then it is asking thickness. So thickness, if you are giving -1, it means it will be filled circle. Integer type, this is optional, you can give or not. Okay, so circle is drawn on the mask. Now I am going to cut this and I am going to paste here. Control V and Control S. Now what we do, we'll run this and we'll see mask is coming. How it is coming we can see. So here you can see this is like original and this is mask window. Okay, finally we have to put this mask window over the original image such that we can see the region of interest. Okay, so we need it right side, right? So for right side, in point X give like 250 and Y give say 50. Okay, save this program and now you can see the position. So here you can see this is like that, right? So you need more right. Okay, so give here 300 and here give 100. Okay, save this and then start. Okay, so now mask is ready. Okay, this is original image and this is mask is ready. So in next session what we will do, we will use bitwise AND function and we will mask the mask window to the original image. Okay, thank you for watching.